All right, let's check in with Nick now. People who probably aren't getting rain right now wondering if it's headed their way.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of places that miss out again today, just like yesterday. It just so happens that Austin's getting it 2 days in a row. That rain dome, it's on a vacation here this week, apparently. We still have some rain coming down over the domain from our Indeed weather camera there, right near Q2 Stadium, watering that grass nicely with locally heavy rain. There are no weather alerts, though, in place for Central Texas. Nothing severe out of this, not expecting flash flooding out of this at this point, but there'll be some gusty winds, heavy rain. There could be some ponding on the roads with this too, as this disturbance continues to draw in rain and storms from the Gulf, and they work from southeast to northwest, and they continue to work their way through parts of Central Texas. Now, there's two separate clusters. There's a Caldwell and Bastrop County cluster, and then there's our Travis County cluster of rain and storms, bringing that locally heavy downpour to parts of the area. You can see from southwest Austin toward the Y at Oak Hill, we're getting some very heavy rain along Barton Hills, Rollingwood creeping into Westlake Hills now. There's a little hole in the radar over parts of downtown, and then the rain picks up in intensity again near and especially east of 35 through about 183 before it starts to drop off in intensity farther east of there. But you're getting some downpours creeping into the Miller area. And then as we drive up 35 near Oak Ridge, up and down 35, there's some areas of very heavy rain. Dessaw into parts of Pflugerville getting downpours. Arboretum, northwest Austin, just south of Anderson Mill, getting some beneficial yet heavy rain that could cause some localized short-lived problems, but generally speaking, this is a good thing so far. And then there's that separate cluster from southern Bastrop through south and southeastern sections of Caldwell County, also producing some heavy rain. And then we just have a few spots of rain in parts of Burnett County into Lampasas County, not even seeing any lightning with this current cluster. I do expect rain and storm coverage will be going down as we head through the next few hours. And by that perspective, I expect that we will be dry here as we head through the nighttime. The evening, yes, will feature some rain and storms, but at night, I expect that we will be dry. Here's what our computer models are suggesting as far as the rain coverage into the evening, and we're on board with this resolution. As you can see, rain chances down to about 10% or less by 9 o'clock tonight, then overnight just low clouds rolling back in. Those will give way to a mix of sun and clouds by midday, and just a few more showers and storms on the way here for tomorrow, very similar to today. So tomorrow's rain coverage at 30%, high of 94, otherwise a mix of sun and clouds. So almost a repeat of today, but the rain's not necessarily going to fall in the same places. Heading into Friday and the weekend, drier. Rain chances down to 10% Friday, down near 0 Saturday, and just 10% on Sunday as the temperatures start to creep up. We're looking for middle and then upper 90s here through the weekend. Into next week, rain chances still on the low end here at 10% Monday and Tuesday as temperatures keep climbing. Could be our first triple-digit day since May. On the way for next Wednesday, that would be the 2nd of July.